can certainly solve problems with any kind of technology out there, traditional generative AI and agentic AI. It's all going to work, but it depends on how much money you're willing to pay. And that's my argument here. So the overreaching conclusion is that organizations need a disciplined, quantified business case for AI, especially agentic AI, or they risk building impressive but economically unsustainable systems. Can't stress that enough. It seems a fairly simple thing to me, having done this for a long period of time. I've been an enterprise architect, a service-oriented architecture. I've built microservice-based systems, Kubernetes container-based systems, all these things over the years, and many, many AI systems. And it always came down to us backing the appropriate technology into the business problems we're looking to solve. And that seems to be not necessarily consideration anymore. And you got to remember that businesses, certainly IT departments, don't have piles of money sitting around. So they have to use their money in the most optimized way. So let's not spend it on systems where AI is going to be a force fit, specifically in the fact it's going to remove more resources than traditional approaches. And also understand that it's going to cost more money. I think in many cases, it's kind of assumed out there that, AI, generative AI, and certainly agentic AI and traditional systems are going to be less expensive, if not just equal to traditional environments. And that's not the case, as you can see in the table. And that's pretty much a realistic depiction of my experiences and also the data that I can find out there. It's always going to be more expensive. Now, that doesn't mean it's not always going to be not worth it. In many cases, it's the appropriate thing to do, but you have to make sure it's the appropriate thing to do.